Hi, my name is Raven Destroyer. If you would like to see how I achieve this natural glam look, keep watching. Okay, so jumping right in, let's go ahead and get started with the eyeshadow, and I'll be using the Morphe 35R palette, that lighter brown. And then I'm using that deeper brown from the Morphe 35R palette. And then I'm going in with an even deeper brown, almost close to a black. I'm just blending it all out so that I can make my crease a little bit more depth. And I'm just using a blending brush to blend all that product out so it doesn't look so harsh. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And it's kind of like a half moon cut crease. This is not an extended cut crease. And I'm just going in with that champagne color from the Morphe 35R palette. And then I'm going in with that goldish, deep gold color from the Morphe 35R palette. And lastly, I'm going in with the deep goldish copper looking shimmer color from the 35R palette by Morphe. And I'm just using my eyeliner pen from e.l.f. And I'm just going to go ahead and work on my wing liner. Now what I'm doing is taking the LA Girl, the color Fun. I'm just using this as a primer for my eyeshadow. And I'm going back in with the Morphe 35R palette with that lighter brown for my transition color. And I'm going in with the deeper brown right up under the lighter brown. I'm just going to blend those colors together. Blend, blend, blend. And then I'm going in with a deeper brown on the inner outside corner. And I'm just going to blend that all out. Then I'm going to go in and cut the crease. And I'm cutting my crease with the LA Girl Color Fun, the concealer. And then I'm just gonna, of course, go back into that Morphe 35R palette with that champagne color that I used. And it's a shimmer champagne color. Then I'm just gonna go back in with that golden color, the golden shimmer color out of the Morphe 35R palette. And then lastly, again, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with that copper shimmer color. And I'm just gonna put that on the end. I wish I would have zoomed in earlier to show y'all the eyelids rather than zooming in here, but whatever, you get the picture. Going back in with my e.l.f. eyeliner pen. Wasn't quite working with me here, as you can see. And I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my wing. Just had to glance at both the sides to see if they were even. So here is the eyes, or here are the eyes. See my eyebrows on fleek, and you see this eyeshadow look up close. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this primer. And I'm using the e.l.f. Luminous Primer, or Illuminating Primer, whatever. And for my foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty in the color 419. Also, I'm using the Super Stay by Maybelline in the color 355. And I'm just going in with the LA Girl, the color Fun, for my under eye. And instead of using a beauty blender, I like to use a regular brush, simply because I want full coverage. And I feel like with a sponge, it kind of takes away a lot of the product. And I'm just blending all this concealer out. And I'm just still blending away. Blending around the mouth, on the chin, in the middle of my forehead. Yeah, I just use that mirror. Like, I don't know, I haven't even used that side of that mirror, and I got so many spots and it's so miley or whatever, but whatever. Let's go right on in with this Black Opal setting powder, and this is in the color medium. This stuff is the bum.com, so if you're looking for a drugstore, a cheaper setting powder that works really well with deeper skin tones, this Black Opal in the color medium is really good. And I'm just using the Fenty contouring stick. I think this is in the color I think the color of this one is Truffle. And I'm just using my Real Technique contour brush to blend it out. And then I'm going back in with the e.l.f. blush brush to blend out my powder that I use to set my contour. And the powder that I use to set the contour is the Black Radiance. I can't remember what color it is, but yeah, Black Radiance. It might be the color Ebony. I'm not really sure. And I'm just contouring my nose with the Fenty Beauty contour stick. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything out. Taking out the powder off, and I'm just blending it and smoothing everything out. And then I'm gonna spray some setting spray. I believe this is the Mario Badescu spray that I sprayed. I'm not really sure if it's the Mario or if it's the NYX, but I believe it's the Mario skincare spray. And now I'm just applying my blush, and this blush is by Nika K, the Duo palette. Not palette, the Duo little blush, the quad thing or whatever. And this look would not be finished without a highlight. So yes, girl, yes. What y'all will learn about me is I love a highlight. Like, I am so extra when it comes to a highlight. Yes, if it ain't extra, it ain't me. Yeah, mama trying to be walking out and that sun hit this face. I want the light to be like, bing. Yes, that type of glow. Like, see me miles away type of glow. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm sorry, my lighting's so bad, but whatever. This is the finished look. Go ahead and give this video a like, thumbs up. And yes, this is what the results are. Please subscribe. Thank you.